became a hotel.
36 hours ago, an attempt was made to kill the chief of MI6. I've been stepped up to chief.
So what's the chain of command?
I'm in charge.
This is a volatile time.
I think the plot is part of something bigger.
Pull out of the race, or we go public.
Where did you get this?
Some people will doubt that you can do this. A young father, not enough experience. Do not trust anyone.
Hey.
Hey.
Adam Lawrence, the youngest ever head of MI6. The CIA think Adam's been compromised.
You know, it's not appropriate for us to meet like this, Kara.
And yet, here you are. You have no idea of the things I've done to get you the top job. I've come to collect.
No, we're done here.
We're just getting started, Adam.
There's a double agent. Eliminate them.
Your family are in danger because of something Adam might be caught up in.
Dad, someone's following me.
If you touch my daughter, I will destroy you.
Who's doing this?
I don't know.
I don't believe a word you say.
You betrayed your country! For her! He has to face justice for what he's done!
I am not a double agent.
Can we fix this?
We have to.
Someone who